You should try these home remedies. According to hair experts, losing 50 to 100 strands of hair every day is fairly normal. It is only a cause of concern when you lose more than that. But you can stop hair fall in its tracks with these simple home remedies. Here's how you can make them. 1. Onion juice. Onion juice helps treat hair loss due to its high sulfur content, which helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, regenerate hair follicles, and reduce inflammation. Extract the juice of one onion by grating it and then straining it. Apply the juice directly onto the scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off. Finally, shampoo your hair. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that directly promote healthy hair growth. Also, its alkalizing properties can help bring the scalp and hair's pH to a more desirable level, which can greatly promote hair growth. Apply aloe vera gel or juice onto the scalp. Leave it on for a few hours and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat the process 3 to 4 times a week.